so the next set that we'll be dealing with is the set of real numbers, and that is denoted with a Q. I'm gonna give the definition of the set of real numbers as all the numbers that can be written on a continuous number line without gaps. Okay, so let's draw the number line first. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to infinity. It's 1, it's 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay, so let's look at all of the real numbers between 0 and 1. Actually, let's not start at 0.5. Let's just start at 0. Okay, 0.1. Already, there is a gap between 0 and 0.1. So there are numbers that I can write in between 0 and 0.1. Because remember, all the real numbers is all the numbers that I can write on the line to fill up the gap, if you understand that. Hold on. So then what I would need to do is enlarge the number line and then fill in the gaps between 0 and 0.1. So 0.01, but then I see that there is another gap between 0 and 0.01. So then let's see if we can fill in that gap. 0, 1 and 0. Okay, 0.001, but there is still a gap between there. So let's see if I can fill in that gap. 0.001 and 0.0001, but there are still numbers that I can fit in between 0 and 0.001. There are still real numbers that I can fit in between this. If you haven't noticed already, there are infinite amount of numbers that I can fit in between just 0 and 1. And remember, the number line is infinite, so it's quite big. So if we let's check out the cardinality of this. If you have any questions about this, then just say the cardinality is, lo and behold, infinity. However, this cardinality is bigger than the cardinality of the irrational numbers. It's bigger than the cardinality of all of the integers, and it's bigger than the cardinality of the natural numbers. This is because, and if you don't understand what I'm going to write next, then check out one of my previous videos, see what I'm talking about. This is because the natural numbers is contained within all the integers. All the integers is contained within all of the rational numbers, and all the rational numbers are contained within all of the real numbers.